Kelly Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. I came out with some stinking cute new merchandise in different styles and colors. You can find the link to my merchandise in the description box below. What have I got going on for you for today? Today, I am bringing to you some of the new items that the Dollar Tree is carrying here in the first part of October. They've got a lot of Halloween stuff going on, and in my Dollar Tree, I'm a little disappointed because it doesn't seem like they are restocking some of the Thanksgiving fall harvest decor pieces that they had so early on, which doesn't make a lot of sense to me because Halloween comes before Thanksgiving, and yet somehow all of the Thanksgiving and harvest items came out really early, and they're still fully stocked for Halloween items, but it doesn't look like they're putting any more of the fall and harvest Thanksgiving decor out. They have now filled their shelves with Christmas items, which is mind-blowing to me that it is out so early. And so for that, I'm a little bit bummed because I really wanted to do more DIYs using some of the fall and harvest items that the Dollar Tree carried. So fingers crossed that they end up restocking it maybe right after Halloween or a couple weeks before, but we'll have to see. Today, I am bringing to you some of the new items that they're carrying now, items that you can keep your eye open for at your local Dollar Tree. So let's jump into it and let me show you what the Dollar Tree's carrying right now. Alrighty, I am gonna start off with some of the new finds that I found at the Dollar Tree. LA Colors came out with this new shiny lip gloss. I found it in 5 different colors. LA Colors also came out with this metallic metal type lip gloss. I found it in 4 different colors. They also came out with a colored mascara that the Dollar Tree is carrying. It almost looks like a trial size bottle or a mini bottle. I found it in 3 different colors, in blue, purple, and pink. And some really cool shimmering eyeliner in this teal, almost a white, silver, and a purple. Wet n Wild also came out with some new items at the Dollar Tree. This Tame and Define Lash Protectant. You can use this on your eyelashes or your eyebrows. They also came out with this 5 times plumping lash mascara. This is a nice size tube. They've also come out with this 2-pack of lipsticks. I'm not super stoked about the colors. The colors may be for some, just not for me. Great deal, 2 for $1. Wet n Wild lipsticks, you really can't go wrong. This is a new item at my Dollar Tree as well. Shea Solutions Leave-In Conditioner. I found it in this 8 fluid ounce bottle. And I also found this deep moisturizing shampoo. And in a different section, I also found this deep conditioner paste. I also found a few new sticker sets. This one is very Victorian to me. It had 55 stickers in it, which is 2 sheets. These are great for journaling or using in your organizer. I picked up 2 packs of these red and green letter and number stickers. I'll be using these in an upcoming Christmas DIY. There's 370 stickers per pack. You can't beat that. This is a new winter find that I found at my Dollar Tree. This beanie, glove, and sock set made out of that plush soft material. Great for stocking stuffers, think ahead. These jewelry dishes, shine bright, good vibes, and dreams. My Dollar Tree finally got these angel wing ring holders in. These are not a new item, but they're new to my Dollar Tree, so I was glad to see them. Great for stocking stuffers as well. And how about these ceramic dogs? These remind me of my Boston Terrier. I found them in silver and gold. They had some fun new glassware. These make for great birthday presents. Maybe stuff some candy in them or a gift card. More awesome please. This fun happy birthday with confetti around it. Shoe lover, and how stinking cute is this with the shoes going around it. And sip sip hooray with more confetti. So stinking cute. My Dollar Tree now has a section for Crayola products. I was so excited to see that Dollar Tree is now carrying a brand name of quality product. Yes, the sizes are a bit smaller, but I think it's great that they're carrying these. I found some super tip markers, a 5-pack, an 8-pack of neon crayons, and an 8-pack of glitter crayons. How fun is that? An 8-pack of mini colored pencils, a 30-pack of the pencil top erasers. I also found some washable white glue in a 4 fluid ounce bottle, a 2-pack of washable glue sticks. This is awesome. I found 4 different colors of poster markers. These markers have 2 different tips on each end, a wider tip and a finer tip. What a fantastic buy. And lastly, I found 8 different colors of Crayola's kids paint that came in a 2 fluid ounce bottle. I didn't pick up a lot of Halloween decor this year, but I did pick up this sugar skull. I know that there is another name for this, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not gonna even try and pronounce it because I will say it all wrong. I know this as a sugar skull. Alli wanted this for her room, so I picked up one of these. These are really stinking cute. This 5-pack of black cats. This is for an upcoming DIY on Kayla's channel where she will be recreating one of my DIYs, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. I picked up 1 bunch of these glitter Christmas bouquets. I guess they're called Heather. I picked this up for a Halloween DIY. I picked up 2 of these Halloween chains for an upcoming DIY that is not Halloween related. It will be a farmhouse DIY. I will be uploading it in the next week or so, so if you like it and you want to recreate it, you can still get these chains at the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree just started carrying these 8-inch wreath forms. They come in a 2-pack, so I picked up 2 packs of these. I also picked up one of these tool bench plastic toolboxes for an upcoming DIY. 6 of these breast cancer awareness scarves, 2 in each style that I found. 2 of the breast cancer awareness bandanas. And lastly, I picked up 2 of the breast cancer courage awareness cinch bags. And this boxed wall decor art that says hope. Make sure to head on over to Alli's channel this week to see what great new finds she found at the Dollar Tree. You can find the link to her video in the description box below. Today's shoutouts going out to Brandy the Geek, Jill Fancher, Elizabeth Rosado, Handmade by Angelique, Seriously Though Salicido, Trish Hinkle, and Kathy Moore. And there you have the new items that the Dollar Tree is carrying. Items, like I said before, that you can keep your eyes open for at your local Dollar Tree. I know that not all Dollar Trees carry the same items, and it really saddens me to hear when some of you all leave comments that your Dollar Tree doesn't carry any of the items that my Dollar Tree carries, and that is just a bummer. I personally don't understand it. I shop at about 3 or 4 different Dollar Trees that are within a 20-mile radius of me, and a couple of them seem to be better than, you know, 1 or 2 that I do go to, but from time to time they all seem to carry different items, and so I like to rotate between the 4 of them because if there's an item that I'm looking for that has been hauled before, I know that sooner or later at one of these Dollar Trees I'll probably find it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 2,000 likes because those thumbs up really do help my channel to grow and it helps YouTube to notice me a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.